My name's Michael Lamb. I'm the owner of the Games Pit in Wakefield, West Yorkshire. We sell gaming equipment, not video gaming. We do proper gaming equipment. So it's tabletop, card games, board games, role-play games like D&D 5. That's the sort of thing that we do. Be More Social has helped my business because the social side of things, Facebook and Twitter, I was having a lot of problems with. I didn't quite understand how it ran, how these companies, worked everything out. They've helped me find my feet, really, and they've helped me to realise what I need to be doing, to move forward socially. They were there for me at first. I was a little bit intimidated, to be quite honest, which sounds stupid for a bloke my age. But yeah, it was a little bit intimidating being told, you need to do this, you need to do this, which is fine. But when you don't know how to do this, this and this, it then becomes a little bit, what am I meant to do, etc. But yeah, they were there almost to guide me through and help me with what I needed to do. It worked very, very well. We've got more followers on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Hopefully that'll turn into footfall. We understand that there's still work to do to sort that out. But yeah, we've got a lot more people looking our way, which I think is the first part of what we need to do. If I was giving advice to somebody about possibly using Be More Social, I'd say go with it. It's got to be right for you. If it's not right for you, then obviously it just doesn't work. For me, it was right for me. If you don't know what you're doing, then these people are here and they can guide you and help you to find out what you need to move your business forward. My business is a retail shop, so that's a lot different to most of the other people that I meet online through Be More Social, and they've worked for me. So yeah, I think a lot of the people would find it very helpful.